of the Association of European Motorcycle Manufacturers, ACEM, recorded electric motorcycles in Europe rose 7% more than January to March 2018. Data compared to the first quarter of 2017. Whereas in the same time sales of motorcycles gasoline engine down by 6.1%. Sales of motorcycles and mopeds in Europe during January to March 2018 amounted to 240,924 units. Sales of electric motors in Europe rose 7% more than in January to March 201, led by French sales of 2,150 units, the Netherlands 1,703, Belgium 1,472, Spain 1,258, and Italy 592 units. While sales of gasoline engine motorcycle the highest decline experienced moped, scooter 50cc down by 40.2% or just sold 37,071 units. In France declines by 41.5% followed by the Netherlands minus 35.3%, Italy minus 19.4% and Spain minus 21.4%. Sales of motorcycles in Spain rose 11.5% or 32,170 units, Britain 5.6% and in Italy fell 0.6%, France fell 8% and the highest decline in Germany 13.5%. So total sales in Europe during January to March 2018 fell 6.1% compared to the same period last year. However, the underlying selling trend was not mentioned in the ACEM report.